Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kingfisher-style beer. First, gather your essential ingredients: malted barley, hops, brewing yeast, and clean water. You'll also need key equipment like a large brew kettle, a fermenter with an airlock, and proper sanitizing solutions. Accurate measurement of all ingredients is crucial for a successful and flavorful batch. Next, you'll mash your grains by steeping them in hot water, typically between 148 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 60 minutes. This process extracts the fermentable sugars. After mashing, sparge the grains to collect all the sugary liquid, known as wort. Then, boil the wort for 60 minutes, adding hops at different intervals for bitterness and aroma. Once the boil is complete, rapidly cool the wort to a temperature between 46 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. This is vital to prevent off flavors and prepare for yeast. Pitch your chosen lager yeast into the cooled wort, ensuring proper aeration. Allow the beer to ferment for 1 to 2 weeks, maintaining a consistent temperature to ensure a clean and crisp lager profile. Finally, it's time for bottling. Gently add a small amount of priming sugar to your beer. This will create natural carbonation in the bottles. Carefully transfer the beer into sanitized bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace in each. Store the bottled beer at a cool cellar temperature for 2 to 4 weeks to allow for proper carbonation and flavor development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.